About a year ago, I decided to build myself a reflective infinity pond, RIP as I call it. And there wasn't really much on the internet to talk about how deep a pool has to be reflective, or how a do-it-yourselfer would build a infinity pond. So it was quite a bit of fun planning this thing out and building it. I must admit, this is probably my fourth attempt at it, and I'm finally happy with it. The first pond, I had a reservoir that was way too small. I did not take into effect the impact of water resistance, whereas now plus I had it hidden, and that was kind of a mistake because I had a lot of difficulty trying to figure out how much water was in it and whether I needed to add more water. So the water basin, or the reservoir, I finally built so I could see it, made it again about 7 foot wide, and put a little waterfalls in it. I have everything here hooked up to Alexa, so I can tell Alexa, turn off the power to, and that will automatically turn off the one of the pumps. I'm using water from my gutters to help fill it, along with the sprinkler system. If you want to read more of the details and stuff, I published a book on Amazon. It's free if you're an unlimited member, and I go into detail. Its title of the book is called Reflective Infinity Pond by Jim Bingle. Hope you enjoy. Bye-bye.